Experience top-tier active noise canceling at rivals' flagship models, making daily noises like dishwasher hums and barking dogs remarkably softer. While the ANSI performs admirably, it falls just short of current flagship standards. Aki's tuning delivers a balanced audio profile, ensuring the 11mm driver and 6.3mm tweeter offer rich bass without overwhelming sound. Music from artists like Samia, Bob Dylan, Emil and the Sniffers, and Peggy Gou is vivid and immersive, standing out even compared to the Buds 2 Pro. Watching movies and gaming using Samsung's seamless codec proves seamless with perfectly synced audio and lag-free content. The Galaxy Wearables Game Mode further enhances gaming experiences, albeit at a slightly faster battery drain. While the Galaxy Buds 2 boast a sleek design and comfortable fit, their slippery build makes them prone to drops. However, their scratch-resistant nature is a silver lining. Remember, despite their comfort, they're not water-resistant enough for accidental puddle dips.